What's up everybody, Lucas here, Only Kinds Fitness. So this follow along in-home workout is going to be specifically designed to help us put on strength for holding a planche or a straddle planche or a tucked planche. We're going to be really working on those zones that help us get into that position. So if you guys saw my how to straddle planche in 5-minute tutorial on my other channel, and you're wanting to put on more strength for that movement, well, this is a good video. You can follow along and get some basic strength for that movement. There's a ton of exercises you can do. I'm just gonna break it down to some really simple exercises, and it's gonna be a really simple follow along in-home workout that anybody can do. So if you're ready to follow along and you want to put on strength for holding a straddle planche, let's begin. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do 5 simple push-ups, nice and controlled though, nice and controlled. We're gonna push all the way out, okay? None of this stuff, all the way out. Really using your serratus, really retracting those shoulder blades. And then we are going to go straight into some push-up reaches, 10 of those after the 5 basic slow and controlled push-ups. Ready? Position and go. 1, all the way. 2, see how I'm going all the way up? 3, 4, one more. 5. All right, now we're gonna go into our push-up reaches. So stay in this position, down, up, reach out, and then up with the other leg. 2, nice and controlled. 3, whoa, catch your balance. 4, 5, 6, 7, flex the glute. 8, nice and controlled. One more. All right, whew. All right, without resting much at all, we're coming right into some isometric holds. We're gonna hold that top position on that reach push-up, okay? We're gonna hold 30 seconds each side. It's gonna be difficult, but you wanna focus on keeping that arm pushed out, everything stable in the shoulder, keep it tight into the body. Flex like the armpit. 30 seconds each. Ready? Steady. Go. All right, other side, go. See, I'm keeping that shoulder nice and pushed out. Breathe, flex the glute, and you can feel it a little bit in the lower back too. That's a zone you want to develop for the straddle planche. Full body connectivity. Hold it. 10 seconds. Calm down. Woo. Man, you can feel that. Okay. Shake it off just a second. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our frog pose, all right? Frog pose, very simple. Hands, fingers down like this. You're going to have your thighs rest above your elbows, and you're going to come off your feet like this. If you want to go into it slow, you can come off 1 foot at a time. This is just going to get us used to balancing on our hands, get that mind muscle connection going. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, all right? Ready? Go. At first it feels easy, but then it'll start to get difficult. Just breathe through it and balance. And come out. Woo! You can feel it start to cook in there. All right, now that we got used to doing the frog pose, that was just a warm up for this. We're gonna do frog pose, but with one leg hanging in towards the middle, increasing the difficulty a little bit, all right? This will get us that Nice strength for that tuck planche. Lift those legs off the ground and also help us with all the other planche movements because you're in that position. We're gonna do 20 seconds actually. Ready, steady, go. Really hold firm with that arm, with both arms. 10 seconds. All right, shake it off. Other side, man, I'm struggling. Whew. Ready, other side. Ready, steady, go. All right, shake it off. Little rest, little rest. All right, just kind of gather yourself, shake your arms off a little bit. Next thing we're going into, sorry about this, sorry to keep increasing the difficulty here, but we're going into a tucked planche, all right? But we're decreasing the time a little bit. 10 seconds hold. Now, if you can't do it, you can't go into a tucked planche, try to lift your knees up. Try to lift maybe 1 foot up off a time if you can. But we're gonna try to go into a tucked planche for only 10 seconds, okay? You can do this. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Good job. All right, we're pyramiding down, so we're gonna go back into our tucked planche, but we're gonna do just one leg up at a time. We're gonna do 10 seconds on each side. Ready? 10 seconds each side, let's just jump into it. Ready, steady, so go. So I gotta keep my foot on the ground, but I'm really trying to be light here. All right, switch. Really pushing out with the shoulders. Oh, this next exercise is going to be another isometric hold. We're going to get into a push-up-like position on our stomachs. Then we're going to push up into position, and I want you to come above and over your wrists actually. So we're going to be on a slight angle out in front, more in like a straddle planche-like position. You're not going to actually come up on your toes. Keep your feet pointed outwards and just kind of come up on your feet, okay? So you're kind of sliding up on your feet as you go in front of your fingers, holding yourself in that straddle planche-like position without having the butt off the ground, okay? We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds and you're gonna squeeze and push out. It's really gonna help utilize and strengthen the shoulder girdle region, everything involved in the straddle planche within this upper and core region here, okay? So just like this, let's go. 30 seconds, man. Nice and controlled. It's important to control this. Ready, steady, go. Push up, come forward, see I'm on my toes. Curl the body up like that, okay? I'm nice and tight. Hold. Oh, come on. All right, and for this final one, we are going to be bending our elbows a little bit now. We're gonna go back up into the push-up like position, but being a little bit more in front like we were in the straddle planche. But this time we are bending our elbows a little bit, and also we are gonna lift one leg off the ground, flexing your glutes, a little bit of the lower back, as we hold that plank-like position for 20 seconds each side. Ready? Right here, bend the elbows, foot comes off. Stay pushed out, stay tight, shoulder blades in tight. Nice and tight. Stay a little bit out in front, other side, nice and tight. Feel it in the lower back, the glutes. and you're done. So feel free to do that in a circuit if you want to go back to the beginning and do that again. That's just a simple workout you can do that can help you strengthen those zones for the straddle planche and holding out. Remember, when you're doing them, don't ever, don't be sagging like this. You always want to stay nice and pushed out like that, as good as you can. Obviously, if you do start to get tired, you will start to kind of sag a little bit, but try to keep it pressed out. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this follow along workout. Don't forget to subscribe and turn those notifications on. I have more follow along workouts coming out. Stay tuned. Thank you all so much for your positive feedback and support. If you guys are interested at getting strong at home, check out my bodyweight training programs on onlykindsfitness.com. If you're looking for something super accelerated, follow along workout videos and everything, check out the 1-month plan. It also comes with a nutrition plan. If you're looking for something a little bit more long-term, a 12-week program, check out my Bodyweight Beast 2.0, new and improved. I also have hard copies of Bodyweight Beast 2.0, so if you're looking to purchase a hard copy, you have the option to do that. Now you can get the booklet and you can write in it and stuff. It's super helpful. It's awesome. It turned out great. With that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.